In 2026, Apple is rumored to introduce its first affordable MacBook designed specifically for students, casual users, and everyday tasks. This new machine is believed to feature a 13-inch display that is slightly smaller than the traditional MacBook Air screen and is expected to use a more cost-effective LCD panel instead of the more expensive mini LED or old technology. Rumors suggest this laptop will be powered by an A-series chip, like the A18 Pro that was first seen in the iPhone 16 Pro, giving it strong performance for daily tasks while keeping costs down. This MacBook is likely to launch in the first half of 2026, possibly around March or April, although the A-series chip won't match the advanced performance of Apple's flagship M-series silicon. It will be more than capable of handling web browsing, document editing, media, streaming, video calls, and lighter photo work. It may not offer Thunderbolt support, but it will include standard USB-C ports and deliver solid battery life for students and everyday users. The big advantage of this low-cost MacBook is that it could make Apple's laptop experience affordable to a much wider audience. Students who use laptops mainly for schoolwork, web research, video watching, and writing assignments will find this model easy to carry, simple to use, and powerful enough for daily needs. This is Apple's way of challenging cheap Windows laptops and Chromebooks by offering a premium build, strong ecosystem support, and smooth performance at a lower price point than traditional MacBook Airs. Next up is the MacBook Air, one of Apple's most popular laptops worldwide for 2026. Apple is expected to update the MacBook Air lineup with the new M5 chip, which brings improved performance and power efficiency over the current M4 version. The M5 chip is built on advanced 3-nanometer manufacturing technology, which typically translates to higher speed and better battery life. Rumors suggest that this updated Air will be launched in the early part of the year, likely around March 2026. This refresh will maintain Apple's iconic thin and light design while boosting performance for tasks such as video editing, multitasking, coding, and software development. The MacBook Air with the M5 chip should appeal to a wide audience, from students to professionals, who prioritize mobility without compromising computing power. Battery life is expected to remain strong, making it easy to use all day without charging. The MacBook Air will continue to be ideal for creatives who want a balance of style and performance, educators who need reliable machines for classroom and remote teaching, and everyday users who want responsive apps, smooth browsing, and quick startup times. With the M5 chip, Apple is likely to strengthen the Air's position as one of the best laptops for both productivity and entertainment. Apple is also expected to refresh its MacBook Pro lineup in 2026 with the powerful M5 Pro and M5 Max chips. These updated chips are designed to deliver significantly greater performance than previous generations and are used in Apple's high-end laptops. The new models will likely arrive alongside the M5 MacBook Air in the first few months of the year. Possibly in January or February 2026, the 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro models with M5 Pro and M5 Max chips are expected to offer professional-level performance, featuring faster CPUs and GPU, higher memory bandwidth, and improved SSD speeds. These laptops are built for creative professionals, software engineers, video editors, graphic designers, and anyone working with heavy workloads like 3D rendering and high-resolution video production. In practical terms, this means that tasks that once took hours, such as rendering via compiling large codebase or running complex simulations, will be completed more quickly and efficiently. The Pro models are also expected to offer excellent battery life for their class, making them more portable than high-performance Windows laptops. These new Pro machines retain the familiar professional design that Apple users love, with bright, color, accurate displays, high-quality speakers, advanced thermal performance, and long-lasting battery life. For professionals and power users, these upgrades represent a meaningful performance boost without sacrificing the features they rely on every day. Finally, Apple is rumored to be planning a major redesign of the MacBook Pro lineup for late 2026, possibly extending into early 2027, which would mark a big shift in Apple laptop design. These new models may include old display technology, touchscreen support, and the next generation M6 chips, built on even more advanced manufacturing processes for higher speed and efficiency. Makrumor 1. The use of old displays means richer colors, deeper blacks, and better contrast compared to traditional LCD or mini LED screens. This upgrade is particularly valuable for video editors, photographers, and designers who work with color-critical projects, as well as anyone who simply wants the best visual experience on a laptop. Rumors also suggest that Apple could introduce touch input for the first time on a MacBook Pro, while still retaining the physical keyboard and trackpad that users depend on, along with a slimmer body and lighter chassis. These redesigned machines could offer better thermal efficiency and improved on-the-go productivity. There's also talk of additional features like a hole-punch camera, replacing the notch design used in previous generations, and possibly even cellular through a 5G modem for those who want always on internet access. Although the exact release timing is not guaranteed, Apple may unveil these new models towards the end of 2026 or in the early months of 2027, depending on production and final certification. Regardless, this future MacBook Pro represents a bold step forward in both design and functionality for Apple's laptop lineup. As we approach the conclusion, it's worth taking a deeper look at how these 2026 MacBooks will fit into different lifestyles, workflows, and creative processes. For students, the new low-cost MacBook will likely redefine what it means to have an Apple device at an affordable price, with a lighter chassis, long battery life, and seamless integration with Apple Notes and productivity apps. Students can carry their entire digital school experience in a single lightweight laptop. Apps like Pages, Keynote, and Numbers will run effortlessly, while students can also run collaboration software such as Microsoft Teams, Zoom, or Slack without any slowdowns. This means group projects, online classes, and personal assignments become much easier to manage on a device designed for convenience and portability. For everyday users, the MacBook Air with the M6 chip will shine due to its perfect balance of performance and mobility. Unlike the entry-level model, this device will allow multitasking on a higher level, such as editing 4K videos, running multiple browsers with dozens of tabs open, and designing light graphics without experiencing lag. Its upgraded battery life ensures that users can work all day at cafes, libraries, or on the go, while its fanless design and silent operation provide a distraction-free environment. The MacBook Air continues to be ideal for users who want premium performance without carrying the weight or paying for a full MacBook Pro. Moving to professionals, the M5 Pro and M5 Max MacBook Pro models will completely change the workflow for creatives and power users. Video editors will benefit from real-time rendering in Final Cut Pro, while graphic designers and 3D artists will experience smoother performance when running apps like Adobe Creative Cloud or Blender. Developers working with large code base will find that compiling and testing software becomes faster than ever. And data analysts will appreciate the improved memory bandwidth for handling large data. These devices aren't just about speed, they also provide reliability and longevity, meaning users can invest in a laptop that will remain powerful for years without becoming obsolete. Apple's continued focus on advanced thermal management ensures that even intensive work won't cause throttling, keeping performance consistent over long work sessions. Looking ahead to the rumored old MacBook Pro with M6 chip, Apple may finally bring a premium cinematic experience to laptops. The old display will deliver true-to-life colors, perfect contrast, and HDR capabilities that are unparalleled in current MacBook models. This will make watching films, editing, high dynamic range content, or even gaming a visually stunning experience. The possible touchscreen integration adds another layer of functionality for artists and designers, allowing precise sketching, intuitive navigation, and interactive workflows that were previously only possible on iPads. Combined with the M6 chip, users can expect lightning-fast processing, extended battery life, and seamless handling of even the most demanding professional software. This MacBook could also support advanced connectivity options, including multiple external displays, fast storage expansion, and possibly 5G support, making it a hub for modern mobile workstations. Finally, it's important to note that Apple's 2026 MacBook lineup is more than just raw specifications. Each model is designed to cater to a specific set of users, while still benefiting from Apple's ecosystem, whether it's iCloud syncing between iPhone, iPad, and Mac, or leveraging continuity features like handoff, universal control, and air. These MacBooks promise a seamless and integrated experience that enhances productivity, creativity, and entertainment.